hic dies de nostris controversiis judicabit. So Pullo is throwing shade at Varenus. Subject here, hic dies. Prepositional phrase here. And then here's your verb. Subject, verb, prepositional phrase. Haec cum dixesset, procadet extra munitiones, quaquae pars hostium convertissima est visa irrumpit. Okay, so when he had thrown down the gauntlet, haec cum dixesset, this of course is the direct object of dixesset. The subject is still understood to be Pullo. What did he do? Procated. Where did he go? Extra munitiones. Well, that's interesting. Outside, where all the bad guys are. Quae pars. Which part of the enemy? So here's your subject. Nominative. Hostium, of course, is modifying pars. Convertissima est visa. So here's a verb that goes with this. Visa est. So we've got a linking sentence. Subject, linking verb to subject complement or predicate nominative, whatever you call it. And then what did he do? He hopped in. Whoa, this is exciting. Ne Varenus quidem tum se vallo continet, sed omnium veritus existimationem subsequitur. So, how did Varenus react? Ne quidem. Not even. Remember, those words go together. So here's your subject, Varenus. Then, se, that refers back to Varenus. It's probably accusative. It is, because containeth. So Varenus, not even did he contain himself. Where? Within the walls. But veritus, this is off of verior, which is a perfect active participle. Having feared what? Of course, it's modifying Varenus. Having feared the direct object, omnium modifies existimationem. Having feared everyone's opinion of him, what did he do? He followed. So these two guys are competing for a place of valor and honor amongst each other. So they jump into the fray. Mediocri spatio relicto, Pullo pilum in hostes immitit, atque unum ex multitudine procurrentum traicit. Okay, so this is here, ablative absolute. So there wasn't much room, apparently. Spatio is your noun. Mediocri is the adjective modifying spatio. Relicto, of course, is a participle. Perfect passive participle going with spatio. What did Pullo do? Well, whatever he did it to this direct object. In hostes, prepositional phrase. So we've got subject, verb, direct object. He did that. And we've got another direct object over here, because it's accusative. Ex multitudine, and procurrentum is also modifying this. So he threw his pilum into the enemies, and he traicit, he pierced one guy running out of the crowd. Oh, well, apparently he hit somebody. Quo percusso ex animato hunc scutis protegunt. So, with this guy having been hit, i.e. this guy who was running, not only was he hit, but apparently he was ex animato. Oh, that doesn't look good. Hunc is modifying, is talking about the guy that he had just hit, with which guy having been struck and knocked out. Him, that's accusative. Scutis, ablative. Protegunt, watch out here. This is an NT. This is third person plural. So it's not Pullo, it's not Varenus, but rather it would be the hostes, the enemy. So the enemy protect this guy with their shields after he's whacked and knocked out by Pullo. In hostem tela universi coniciunt, neque dant regrediendi facultatum. So this is kind of tricky because Caesar is now talking like it's from the Gauls' point of view against the enemy, i.e. against Pullo, or towards Pullo, who is now the hostem as opposed to usually the Gauls. Tela universi, all of them, tella is your direct object. They throw. Again, we know that this is the enemy because this is an NT. So the Gauls all together toss their weapons against their enemy pullo. And what do they not do? They do not give the direct object the ease of this gerund, an opportunity of going back.